According to the new education policy, how do you think your session was with Headman today?
It was very much in sync with the new education policy, because the new education policy says that we don't have to develop rote memorization and learning. The way students, memorization, their understanding, everything, their critical thinking, creative part, everything is important. And we have to develop them as human beings, not as machines. So your workshop helped us in identifying their weaknesses and strengths, and how to deal with the weaknesses particularly. How to identify what kind of a learner is the child, and how can we work, how can we help the child in his own direction. Identify all unique learning styles. That is really helpful for us.
Do you think this can be, like, apart from being a student, this can also help an individual?
Definitely. I started thinking about my brain exercises as well, because I too need it. When you're teaching for longer duration, you're teaching the same content every year. There's something should be new for us as well, other than the monotonous things that we have been doing. With the children interacting in the class, initiating such activities and such exercises in classes will help them absorb more and more effectively and efficiently. Definitely.
How do you think our trainers did?
Your trainers, very amazingly. We never felt, even for a second, I couldn't get off my concentration from them. Whatever they were telling, whatever they were asking me to relate and exercise, I was on to it all the time. The time flew. You don't even realize that you have spent 2.5 or 3 hours together with them. So they were really very
This session was very interactive.
Very interactive, very engaging.
Have you had sessions like these before, when you talk about workshops or sessions that an organization does with the institutions? Do you think?
As a passive, participant, we were there. We were listening to what the education system thinks, what they want to do, but how can we actually do it? And what we actually did in today's workshop was really amazing. It was very engaging, and for us also, as we talk about children, that they should get hands-on experiences over all the educational concepts that we teach them. Similarly, here we also had hands-on experiments with us. So that was amazing.
Thank you so much. Your testimonial is very valuable. Thank you.
You're welcome.